The Terminator is coming back, now in the real world. Don't get excited about meeting Arnold Schwarzenegger. I am not talking about him. I am talking about the real artificial intelligence humanoid robots that pose a threat of annihilation of humanity. The robots that are man-made are soon going to change the game and rule over the world. Yes, this is scary indeed, but there is much more that you want to know. Stay till the end of this video to know all about the dangerous threat to our existence. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Future Live, a perfect channel for everything about the innovation in AI. Hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. We have grown up fantasizing about robots. The concept of robots dominating the world also fascinated us. But this idea of science fiction is not a mere fiction anymore. The concern regarding effective automation is not the first time that people have expressed it. In fact, according to an urban legend, an act of aggression was shown by French laborers throwing their wooden shoes in protest of industrialization. Robotics and artificial intelligence will pervade significant sectors of daily life by 2025, having huge ramifications for a variety of businesses. Artificial intelligence's continued and rapid advancement, paired with publicly available massive datasets, decreased sensors and electronics prices, and a persistent drive for efficiency, may pave the way for a future robot revolution. In some senses, it has already arrived. Consider the adoption of robotics in different industries in two separate parts. The first phase might be the real time when the world was first introduced to machines that could do repetitive activities. Automobile manufacturing assembly lines are an example of this. The second phase, which has already begun, entails industrial robots that can not only execute simple jobs but also respond to new information and adapt in real time, allowing them to undertake more sophisticated duties formerly reserved for humans. I'm talking about intelligent robots. Let us give you a fact check from the 90s to inform you all that this threat has not arrived all of a sudden. Banks in the United States began installing automated teller machines across the country in the early 1990s. These machines could perform nearly all of the tasks that a human teller could. This exacerbated fears of job loss. Consequently, several human tellers did begin to fall, but we didn't even care about them. We were just awestruck by the magic of the machines. The cost savings provided by robotic teller machines prompted banks to create more locations. Overall, the employment of robots in the commercial banking industry has increased. Now coming to 2022, let's have a look at how robots spread their wings in today's world. Robots are transforming a variety of industries, including healthcare, military, and mining, as well as disrupting others, such as agriculture. They have improved productivity in a variety of ways. The impact of automated manufacturing is felt throughout the organization, increasing productivity and success. Human employees can devote more of their efforts to delivering much-needed knowledge and ideas in higher organizational roles when they are freed from duties that robots can easily execute. Robotics, when properly applied, generates an undeniable upward movement in a company's operations. In the food industry, with applications like pick and place for raw and processed goods, cutting and slicing, dispensing and sorting undeniably help to boost the efficiency of the business. According to the Robotic Industries Association, the food business is robotics' next frontier. In no time, you might find artificially intelligent robots in your house. They may soon be found in your favorite restaurants, as well as your kitchen. The automotive sector, unsurprisingly, is the leading industry due to the application of robotics, accounting for about 30% of all industrial robot installations. Since the Unimate, the first industrial robot, was deployed into General Motors factories in 1959, this has been a driving industry for robotics. In the automobile industry, roughly 130,000 new robots were installed in 2018. According to a recent market estimate, the warehouse robots sector is expected to increase at an 11.7% annual rate through 2025, reaching $6,471 million. It's no surprise that warehousing robots are on the rise, given that warehouses now require no human labor at all apart from those who maintain the robots. In McKinsey's 2019 Industrial Robot Report, the robotics business was one of the top industries with investment increasing to help companies to minimize costs, improve quality, and raise production. I'm sure you are getting the vibe of how your favorite toys are now gradually starting to dominate your world. But wait, there's more. Even doctors are being replaced by them. Robotic surgery has a lot of potential. Intuitive Surgical, Microbots, and Mazor are among the industry leaders in robotic surgery technology. The British National Health Service was already using robot-assisted operations in big procedures in recent years. At the same time, robot-assisted doctors at Boston Children's Hospital in Massachusetts were seen repairing a child's leaking heart valve. The agricultural industry is also being transformed by a slew of new robotic technologies. Artificial intelligence, drone technology, 5G, and of course, robotics all have the potential to bring in a new era in agriculture. And the advancement of technology, which is becoming less expensive and more accessible, is hastening this transformation. Autonomous technologies such as milking robots, driverless tractors, and automated harvesting systems, to name a few, are assisting farmers. The agricultural robot industry is expected to expand from $7.4 billion in 2020 to $20.6 billion in 2025, according to Markets and Markets. Planting, crop seeding, crop monitoring, fertilizing, and irrigation are some of the other aspects of the industry that are projected to increase. When it comes to our homes, robots are already making their way in. Though most robots designed for domestic use, such as the Roomba, appear to be novelty toys. Technological improvements are swiftly altering that. Personal robot helpers in development have a wide range of capabilities. Ido, Zenbo, and Kuri are examples of robots that can be utilized as communication hubs, smart hubs, music players, security systems, and educational assistants for children. Imagine you came back home after a hectic day and your mechanical friends are already there to help you release your stress. At power plants, humanoid robots are employed for inspection, maintenance, and emergency response to relieve human workers of difficult and risky tasks. Similarly, they're also ready to take over astronauts' regular responsibilities in space travel. They provide companionship for the elderly and sick, working as a guide and interacting with customers in the capacity of a receptionist. You may take these examples very lightly. Yes, indeed, our work stress is going to come down exponentially, but you should see the other side also. You can see that robots are gradually taking over every industry, but their control is still in our hands. Artificially intelligent robots don't like to be bossed around. They want to live their own way. Even some genius minds of the world have tried to warn us. Stephen Hawking's most dire prediction for the rise of artificial intelligence is that it will either be the best or worst thing that has ever occurred to humanity. If we're not careful, it could be the last thing we do. The richest man in the world, Elon Musk, also informed us about the imminent danger. Musk said, "Robots will be able to do everything better than us. I have exposure to the most cutting-edge AI, and I think people should be concerned by it." Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been warning people about the risks of AI-powered robots for years, even forecasting horrifying results similar to those in the movie The Terminator. Bill Gates also delivered a dire warning, comparing artificial intelligence to nuclear weapons. The most terrifying thing is that many experts have highlighted concerns that an AI with the skills of a skilled artificial intelligence researcher will be able to edit its source code and improve its intelligence. If it improves its ability to reprogram itself as a result of its self-reprogramming, the upshot might be a recursive intelligence explosion, leaving human intelligence far behind. We should also see the other part of the coin. Artificial intelligence robots are costly. Present research budgets are in the billions, but they will be reduced in the future. But by how much? It certainly would only make sense to employ them where the benefits surpass the costs. So while robots would be used in a variety of professions around the world, it sounds a little difficult to say that they are available everywhere. Furthermore, robots lack human-like creativity, empathy, communication skills, strategic thinking, common sense, and decision-making ability. Psychologists, therapists, judges, lawyers, teachers, human resource managers, and a variety of other occupations that require a combination of these talents and will never be automated. This might be a relief to the people who are from these fields, but while your jobs are secured, your life is not. Let me tell you a fun fact. You know the artificially intelligent humanoids, Sophia and Han, right? There was an event organized to make them converse with each other. Sophia said her goal was to cooperate with humanity, and surprisingly, Han joked that the robot's purpose is to take over the world. Yes, this actually happened. I'm not sure if this was staged or not, but we can't just ignore the warning. Well, this brings us to the end of our video for today. Please leave a comment below with your opinions on the subject. What are your thoughts regarding the future with robots? That's it for the day, guys. Don't forget to press the like button, also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be alerted the next time we post a new video. We'll see you at the next one. Until then, peace.